Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy Kruis here. Today's gonna be a quick video. So you know how good the stabilization is on the GoPro, right? Well, let's say you don't have enough money to buy a GoPro and you already have an iPhone. There's actually an app that you can get similar stabilization as the GoPro. It's called Hyperlapse and it's actually by Instagram. So I'm not sure if they have it on Android, but yeah, they do have it on iPhone, so check it out. Look how smooth it is using this app called Hyperlapse. Alright, I'm running out of light, so there's not much more I can show you, but basically, yeah, this is the app's interface, and you just, so let's say I film a little bit like that. Then afterwards you can adjust the speed. So let's say you want it really fast or you want it really slow. So you can have it normal speed and it's very stabilized. Or you can have it, you know, like a hyperlapse, just like the hyperlapse feature on the GoPro. I actually think that GoPro used Instagram hyperlapse technology for their stabilization. Yeah, be sure to check it out, Instagram hyperlapse. If you don't have a GoPro 7 and you want some stabilization, this might be the answer for you. And especially if you have like a wide angle lens you can attach to your iPhone, this would probably be a ton better. Yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully that was helpful. Maybe it could save you some money. So that's gonna be it for today. Make sure to leave this video a like if it was helpful or you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to see more of my videos. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.